Is there a motion by the,
There's no motion.
This one's just for discussion tonight. We don't have a motion on it tonight yet. The new policy we have is occurrence basis, so it would not cover us for any claims made about occurrences during the prior policy, correct? So that's what, if somebody in March decides to file a claim based on something that the city did in December, it's not covered under the new policy, even though the claim comes in then, because the new policy only covers things that occur during the new policy. So this gives us a longer period to report claims under the old policy.
is there any other comments on this question?
This should have appropriately been, since we have a March deadline, it should have appropriately been workshop rather than brought in for an introduction and business.
So, and just to clarify, I did ask that this get put on the agenda so that we were looking at the full amount of money that we were gonna be spending for insurance. And so it's not staff's fault, it's my fault that it got put on just for discussion. We did not have to make a decision tonight. It was recommended that we get a 3-year coverage because that's how long claims can go after us, is 3 years, I believe is the statute of limitations. But CIAW will only give us 2 years, which is going to cost us $80,000, in addition to the insurance policy that we approved tonight if we even got to 2 years. So it's just something to think about as we move forward.
And I'd also, if I made note on that, another reason for having this on the agenda tonight is that there are a number of employees who have concerns over potential personal liability. We've been discussing that. The new policy would cover liability going forward in the new year, but would not cover liability from things that happen yet this year. So it is some reassurance to employees to know that we do have an offer for this extended reporting period. We are seriously looking at the coverage. We're not going to leave them hanging come March if something happens to come in.
Is there any other discussion by the council? Is there
So if I may, Mr. Mayor, I would like to see this moved to our next workshop, that I had it moved to workshop.
Right.
So that we can discuss it in depth, but it needed to be brought to everybody's attention, and like, Councilman Putnam said, we need to let the employees know that we are.
Before we leave that, there's any comments from the audience? It's above my head, so it should be above yours. You want to make that motion?
It doesn't require a motion.
Okay, we're going to move it to
Just
the,
directing it to be.
okay, we're going to move it to the workshop. Everybody agree?
Yeah.